Namaste friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all. This is my intraday trade setup for 10/1/2023. Uh, Flat opening it is not a good for me. Flat opening it is not a good for me. But anyhow, I will just watch. Today's move will decide 18,115 level. This level will decide market where how to go. This level. Okay. This is Nifty future chart continuation 30 minutes market profile split chart you are watching now. If you are like our channel, please click the like button. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and please share our channel to your friend circle and relatives. Post your valuable comment in comment box. Okay, 18,115. If market opening flat coming down, any acceptance at 18,115, the first target could be this low 18,070, first target. Second target could be yesterday's low 18,000. This is a two target in the downside. Okay, if market opening flat and moving up, I will take trade only any acceptance above yesterday's high. Yesterday's high means 18,230. Why? Because this single print we have to watch whether these people are sitting again here, they are pushing or not. Okay, so this level, that means 18,830 above 230, above 230 I will go for a long towards this high. What could be this high? This high is 18,310. 230 to 310 is my level on the upside, long side. So these are the level which I am watching now. Any gap up, that means that is a good scenario for me. If market opening gap up means if market opening above 18,210, above 210, then I will watch for looking long towards 18,310 is my first target. And what could be the second target? Second target could be if any acceptance here, this high clearance will be go here almost 380 we can target. Yes, this 380 we can target on the second upside. Any gap down, that means if market opening below 18,115, so I will watch what response market providing or what information market providing on this level 18,115. If market declining this level and coming down, then I will short, I will go for a down. Acceptance this level and moving up, then I will plan for a long. So this level for important for me today. What about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is very good information Bank Nifty is providing. Very small value area was yesterday, very small area in the higher time frame. So Bank Nifty again same scenario. I need acceptance above yesterday's high. See, this week very important, this high and this low, yesterday's low and yesterday's high. This high and low play a major role which side market how to go. If sustaining above yesterday's high till Friday, market will be in the uptrend. If market sustaining below yesterday's low, there could be a huge fall we can see on upcoming days. These are the two observation I had for this week, the entire week. So if any acceptance above 42,910 900 level, 42,900 level, I will go long towards this single print. This single print is 43,090, and second target could be this. This could be work as a good supply area or resistance, whatever you want to name it, you can name it. This is 43,224, 225. Okay, this region will work as a good resistance or supply will come from here, that is sure. Otherwise market have to spend below this territory at least half an hour or 1 hour, then market have to break out or break down. Okay, this is how the bank nifty is working on the flat opening scenario. And if market opening flat and coming down, I will watch 42,610. 42,610 will decide on bank nifty whether market have to go today. If any acceptance at 42,610, this could be my first target. What is this? This is a first target 42,490. 490 is my first target. Second target directly here towards 42,300 level. 42,300 level directly. Any acceptance below day low, there could be a huge fall towards 42,000. So these are the levels which I am watching. See, these levels have their own soul. Whatever the levels we discussed here, their own soul actually. So plan your trade accordingly. All the very best. Thank you very much.